First of all, when it comes to personal development, I think rule 101 is there aren't any shortcuts at all. So it's not like an external process. And so maybe that's something to note. Is that everything's different, every situation's different. And I think that's one of the hallmarks of, okay, yeah, let's unpack this a little bit. One of the hallmarks of personal development is that there aren't any shortcuts, and people are so used to looking for shortcuts, and then when they look at their personal development, they don't see any place for shortcuts, and they're addicted to that shortcutting, to finding that silver bullet. So that's very enabling, because they already have that colonial mindset. They've already have this mental habitat based on looking for shortcuts. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Are they not doing their personal development? And so so they're looking, so they're looking for the quick fix. They're looking to fill that void of personal development with external things. Addiction 101, they're looking for quick fixes, literally fix, coke, crack, alcohol, food, cars, printed currency.